Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. I am doing the Team Pan Challenge this year, and I am really excited about it. Basically what it is, it's been started by these two YouTubers, and I can't for the life of me remember their names. They're two Australian YouTubers who have, you know, a channel together, and then they have their own separate channels. But I want to support my Aussies out there, yes. But basically, I heard about this from my friend Elvia, also on YouTube as We're Creative, We Promise. And I nominated myself and a few other people on Twitter, and one of them was my friend Evelina, and she's already done her pan project reveal of products that she's going to use. So basically, I feel like I'm obligated to do it at this point. So let's just get into it. Basically, what it is it's trying to use all of the product that you've kind of been sitting on, or you're not sure about, or sometimes it's your absolute favorite and you know you're going to hit pan on it. But this is just to encourage you to like really get in there and play with different things and try different techniques and try different products and see if you like them, because you never know. So first things first, for me, for my primer, I'm starting and I'm going from the first to last step basically. So for my primer, I'm using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer and my Smashbox Primer. I use these in conjunction with each other because I think they do a really nice combo on my skin. I have made a bit of a dent. Okay, that's not going to focus, but I've made a bit of a dent in this product that you can see, but the Smashbox, because I only use a very little of it, is only just below this silver line here. So those are the first two products that I'm going to be using. The next two products I'm going to be wearing interchangeably due to the weather and how my skin is going to react to whether it's really humid outside or whether it's dry outside or whatever. But I bought this Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I am in the shade 2W1 Dawn. I actually bought this months ago and completely fucking forgot I bought it. Completely forgot I bought it. Don't know how I did that. But anyway, I wanted to do it for a wear test video, and I, again, just forgot about it. The second foundation I'm going to be trying to hit pan on is my Fenty Pro Filter foundation. This is in the shade 180. Yeah, 180. So I want to finish both of these off. I like both of these. I'm wearing the Double Wear today. I'm really fucking liking the way my skin looks. Like, I feel like I look airbrushed, and I'm really happy about that, okay? Alright, so that's it for foundations. For concealer, as you can see, I have used the hell out of my ColourPop No Filter concealer. I am pretty close to hitting pan on this, so I might actually order some more, because I'm gonna need it. Because the other two colors I've got just are too dark, so not really for me right now. So ColourPop No Filter concealer, need to order more when I get paid. Alright, next thing I want to hit pan on is my Mercier translucent setting powder. This is about half of the way gone, as you can see. The powder's only about up half the way, which makes me sad and quite proud at the same time. I love this translucent setting powder. It gives you this airbrushed feeling. It doesn't feel like you've got a lot of product on your face, and it's so silky, so silky. But they stopped retailing here in Australia, so I went online and I bought two or three extra ones. So I'm not running out of this bitch anytime soon, and I'm actually okay with that. Alright, next for contour. I don't always contour, but when I do, I reach for this palette here. This is from Australis. It's the AConTour or AConTour palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And I primarily use this shade and that shade only when I contour. I do have it on today, and it creates a really beautiful shadow. So I actually really like this product. I just don't reach for it very much. I find like if I do reach for anything, it's my bronzer straight away. Alright, so next for my blush is my MAC blush in the color Melba. This is one that you have seen me use multiple times. I've had this blush for probably I don't want to admit how long I've had this blush. I think I've had it for about a year and a bit, if not more. So I really want to get my use out of this, and it's a great everyday kind of color too. So, and you can kind of spruce it up at night as well. So I really like this, and I really want to hit pan on this one. But as you can see, as much as I use it, I've barely dented it. So who knows? That's what you get when you pay for quality pigmented stuff. So, all right, moving on to bronzer. I will be using my NARS bronzer in the color Casino. I, again, have this product on my face. Everything that I'm showing you, I've got on my face today. Which, looking at it, makes me go, why do you have that much on your face? But whatever. So, I have got my beautiful bronzer. And as you can see, like, it's still very, very new. But I really, really like this. So, I've been wearing it now for a few weeks at least, and I'm really digging it hardcore. So next, for highlighters, I have done 2 highlighters. One, I have done this Born to Glow palette from NYX. I have opened it and I have used it, but I haven't used it a lot. These are really, really pretty, glittery, very pretty, very reflective, not chunky, very soft to the touch, very soft, and they just really, really pretty. So I've got this for more of an everyday use, and then I've got the one that I'm wearing now, which is the Nikkie Tutorials highlighter in the color Cloud 9. This is what it looks like. It has a beautiful iridescent pink shift to it, and it's just, I've got it on my cheekbones, on my cupid's bow, my nose, in the middle of my forehead. I really, really, really like this highlighter. So that's why I put 2 in here. Is one is a little more flash and a little more out there, whereas the other one you can do very subtle looking, just a kiss of shimmer if you want to. So that's why I picked those 2 things. Alrighty, now for my brows. I am going to finish my Anastasia Brow Definer, and I will roll this up so you can see. I use this, oh, okay, there we go. I've hit, so I've got about a centimeter worth of product left, so I'm gonna have to order this again soon, or I can just use my brow pomade. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I really love this product. My shade is medium brown, and this is the brow definer, so you get your spoolie on one side and then you get your product on the other. Next on my list of things, and this is moving on to eyes now, is I am going to hit pan on my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the color Painterly. If you can see, I've actually, you know, done quite a bit of damage to it. I haven't hit the bottom of the container yet, but again, this is another product that I use almost every time. I've actually fallen back in love with this pan, with this product. So yeah, definitely want to hit pan on this sucker. We'll be buying it again 100%. All right, for my eyes, for my eyeshadows, I am going to be going into my BH Studio Pro palette. This is what it looks like. It's got some beautiful colors. Again, it's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. So I am wearing this pink, this pink, this pink, whoop, not that one. Which green was it again? This green right here. I'm wearing this purple as well in my crease, and I'm wearing something else, but I can't remember what it was. I'm wearing a touch of gold in here. Oh, and this light green as well. So I've used like six shadows out of this thing, but the reason I picked it is because there's so much versatility in this palette. No, there aren't some really dark blues in here. I mean, there's some shimmery ones, but you know, no matte blues. There is one matte black down here, but you've got a lot of different colors that you can work with, and really, like, I think you can create a lot of looks out of it. So that's why I chose this Pro palette. One thing I do want to say really quickly is that if you do this project, you don't have to continue using the same products all the time. You can switch out throughout the year. You don't have to hit pan on anything, but this is more of trying to like work your way through product, because I personally have a shit ton of makeup that I cannot get through if I don't actually like try. You know, and that is just utter complete waste of money, and I am so behind this project because I think it's really genius way to get your ass in gear and like get you to using product. So to finish off my eye, I'm using 2 of my eye pencils. The first one is in the color Empire. It's a deep purple, almost like an aubergine, and then the other one is Legend, which is a black and a purple liquid, black and purple pencil liners. I've had to resharpen both of these a couple of times, so, but I mean, you can tell like I've definitely used Legend more, just based on, you know, how much shorter it is. Any Hoosier, I've picked both of these because I'm wearing the purple in my eyes. Purple's really nice if you want something a little more subtle, a little softer, and black obviously for the drama. So next I am going to be panning my Hourglass Caution Mascara. Again, wearing this on my eyes. I'm gonna stop saying that now because I think you guys get the picture. But I have got these lashes. I've got my lashes coated with this stuff, and I've got actually 2 layers on my upper lid, on my upper lashes, and 1 layer on my lower lashes. And if you didn't know any better, you'd think I was wearing falsies, but I'm not. They're like totally attached to my face. So yeah, my lashes, thank God. That is one thing that I am super thankful for, is that I've got really great lashes. Bragging. Okay. Moving on to lips. I've picked a few products, but I tried to be kind of strategic about it. So the first product I am going to be panning is my Color Sensational Maybelline Precision Lip Liner in the color Nude. It's a really pretty all-rounder kind of nude. It's not too orange. It's not too pink. It sits in that really peachy kind of apricot color range, and I really like this because it works really well under a plethora of different colors. The only reason I really use lip liner, I have really nice lips. I've got really nice defined lips. I don't have that problem that some people have, but I do like to use this to keep my lipsticks liquid or what do you call them? Liquid or bullet, I guess. You don't have to worry about it bleeding. So I really like this to do as a preventative, not so much as a shaper, but a preventative. That makes sense. All right, so the next thing I've got is I'm wearing today my Jeffree Who, and this is what the color looks like if you haven't seen it. It's on my lips. I don't know why I'm swatching it for you. That's so stupid. But this is a really pretty, it's a very pretty rose is what I would call this. It is very nice. It leans pink, which I like because I've tried 818, and that looks like an orange hot mess on me. So that one I'm actually never going to use. I don't care if I pan that thing or not. It looks awful on me. So this is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This was from his most recent Christmas release. But I think he's going to keep them in stock. I would think that with Jeffree Who he would, because that'd be insane. It's sold out. It's really popular. So I'm keeping that. Then I'm also going in with my ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Echo Park, and that's what Echo Park looks like. So you can see there's quite a bit of contrast between the 2 colors on my hand. This one leans more terracotta, more orange peachy color. This is more apricot-y. Or sorry, the lip liner is more apricot. But you can actually see those 2 colors look really good together, and those 2 colors look good together. So I've picked this in case I don't feel like wearing a liquid lip. I can wear a satin lip. And they're both nude, so they go with heaps of things. For glosses or toppers, I picked the Jeffree Star Lip Ammunition in Beam Me Up. Alright, so Beam Me Up is a super, super pretty lip topper. So you can see that shine is phenomenal. That green and, not green, that gold and pink shift is really, really nice. And then the gloss that I'm wearing today is the color Bibbidi. This is from the ColourPop Disney collection. I really like this product. I've got it on right now. It's comfortable. It's sticky, but not in an annoying way, if that makes sense. And it's made, not that I have a problem with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, what do you call them, liquid lips. I don't really find them drying in anyway, so this is just simply to give it a bit more dimension. And yeah, I think that's it. The perfume that I use every single day is my, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's a rose scented fragrance, but I use it every day, so I'm not including that. So anyway, what was suggested, and a little tip for the people that are doing the Team Pan project, hashtag that on Instagram, Twitter, and on your YouTube channel if you decide to do this. And basically what Kat has suggested is getting yourself a little box. Ooh, that was loud. Getting yourself a little box, and this, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to spill shit everywhere and then I'm going to get crazy mad. But, like, to be honest, I don't think my box is, like, that unreasonable, to be honest. I don't really think I have a whole hell of a lot on my face, and I am nowhere near embarrassed about this. So, what I am embarrassed about is the amount of shit I've got that I probably will never hit pan on before it goes bad, because I got into the whole gotta buy everything when everything comes out so I can stay on top of it and be relevant and that sort of thing. But what I found is I'm actually like really loving moving towards my artistic type of thing. So yeah, I don't really know. I'm kind of just rambling at this point, but that is basically it for my pan project. Again, it is hashtag Team Pan Project. Put that in the title of your YouTube video when you do your little collection of what you're putting together. And then again, use it on Twitter and Instagram so that everybody that's doing the team project can actually see it. And basically that's it. I hope you guys like my selections. I hope you like the look that I came up with today. If you want, I can do a tutorial on it, no problem. And I guess that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And I will see you when you hit pan. Catch you later. Bye.